The caller on the line, can you hear me?
Yes, my leader, are you talking to me?
Yes, please. Your name and where you are.
Okay, yeah, thank you very much. My name is Jeremy Ambassador Chris Wise. I'm calling from the Kingdom of Cambodia.
Cambodia. Go ahead.
Yes, sir. As call demands this very morning, what I want to chip in right now is that you have been giving instructions, and I am thanking the boys that are carrying out the instructions properly. But most of us that are calling on radio saying that they are still waiting for international communities to speak, when they have heard from you that the mouth of the international communities that would have been a mouthpiece to the voiceless has been muted by the British. Yet they will come online and start asking such questions or start saying that we are waiting for international communities. This time around, sir,
we are not waiting for any international community. Can you know what there? Let us all die here. Let us all die now. What international community is that? What useless international community? Are we alive? Is this life? What type of life is this? You cannot drive 1 mile without checkpoint. You cannot go to your house. If they harass you outside with SARS, you come in. Even mosquito have a SARS unit. There is even SARS unit in the mosquito world. Those ones who don't listen, shelters cannot kill them. Otapia cannot kill them. They are disturbing you at night. There is no light from NEPA. Everywhere is rotten, and you're telling me that this is what stupid international community.
So that is it, sir. The best thing I want to say is that our gallant men, because I was once a military force before I left. If you want to deal with your enemies, you don't deal with them face to face.
Simple.
Go sideways.
Go sideways.
Go sideways, and again, set trap in the front. What I mean by setting trap in the front is that you bring a kind of strategy, triangular form. They will focus on that triangle, then while you circle them from the back.
My dear brother, wait 1 second. Let me tell them what to do now. Now you're talking, you're a soldier, you're an ex-soldier. You know they drive very fast. And some places is a blind bend. You cannot see what is coming from the other side. You know they are mad. Janjaweed. You know that thing that the task force you to put on the ground, those spikes, to spike your tires. You know them, don't you? You know the spikes you put on the road. I want every welder now in Biafra land and elsewhere, every welder, go and build spikes. So when they are traveling in their hillocks, you stay by the side of the road and you throw out the spikes and their vehicle will come to a halt. Once the vehicle stops, you throw your Molotov cocktails at them. The bottle bomb. Inside the vehicle, they will abandon their rifles and they will run out. You burn them alive. That's what we need to do. Burn them alive. Go and build those things to stop, to puncture their tires. Now, what we are going to do on every road is to put nails and pins on the road. So when they are driving, all their tires will go flat. That is how you stop any reinforcement. Since you want me to tell you these things live on air, I will tell you. That is, we need to, wherever we are holding them, we stop. Another group will be waiting for the reinforcement to come. Not jumping up and down, doing Oshebe like an idiot. You go to the bushes, you lay ambush for them with the petrol bomb. As they are coming, we throw out the spike. The spike will puncture their tires, they will stop. We will now throw the bottles at them, the bottle bomb. They will flee. Some of them will be on fire. And we commandeer their vehicles. We get their weapons and we kill them. Please go ahead.
And again is that language code is very, very important this time. Language code is very, very important. If possible, we can use in CBD. For the volunteers, they should learn it. Very, very important. That is CBD security language code is very, very important to each and every one of them these days. And if they abide by these very instructions, victory will be ours in the next 6 days.
He said, now they said it's a revolution. Not too many things are secret anyway. They are Janjaweed, they won't understand. Now listen very carefully. if you are in a place and you circle a prison, or you circle a police station and you want to bring out the prisoners, or you want to bring down the police station, one thing you should be concerned about is reinforcement. Because I said to you before, we outnumber them 100,000 to 1. We are more than them. All these criminals put together. We are Aneka, we are more than them. Now, if you are carrying out an operation in a place, those going to stop the reinforcement is also very, very important. That from today, we want to stop them from driving in their Hilux all over the place. Now, what are we going to do about it? It's very simple. If you don't have any welder around where you live, you see nail, 6 inches nail, go and drive it through a plank, a small plank. Drive 6 inches nails through them. That can cover the length of a road. Or as they are driving, you just push it out. As you're pushing out the nail and they are panicking, you start throwing petrol bombs at them. The police or the army people inside the vehicle will catch fire. They will run out and you can take their weapons from them. So stop asking me to give you weapons. That's how you get it. Anywhere we are carrying out an operation, stopping the reinforcement is very, very important. You need to stop any reinforcement. And in fact, let me even make it very simple. If you're too scared to do what I asked you to do, simply go and get nails, and place it on the road for up to 100 meters. If they come there, they must stop. They will come out of their vehicle to go and start picking the nails. As they are picking the nails, we are also picking them up. Now you understand. That is how we are going to do it. And that is how we are going to succeed in slowing them down. Do you understand? And then they will go to their barracks and they will bring out their armored personnel carriers or whatever they call it. And we have the weapons for those ones. Let them bring it out. And we want to set an example with one of them. Then they will know that our engineers have really, really worked hard over the past years. They are playing with us. They don't know how prepared we are. They do not know how prepared we are. They have no clue how prepared we are. We are very, very prepared, and we are going to defeat them. We are going to defeat them. They don't know how prepared this generation is. They think it's like before. Oh, go back home. Your ego is calling you. Your Eze is calling you. Your KBSC is calling you. Hey, elders speak. Oh, rubbish. Rubbish. Failed elders. Failed. Shame on all of you. All you do is to gossip. Nnamdi Kanu did this. IPOB did that. Gossipers at your age. At your age, you are still gossiping. Shame on all of you. Failed leaders. What stupid leader are you? Is there any light? There are. Sorry to have kept you waiting, please. Sorry to have kept you waiting. The caller on the line, give us your name, if you can.
Hello. Yes, sir, I'm here. My name is Mecca, and I'm calling from South Africa.
Go ahead.
Yes, sir. I've been listening to what is happening in your program, and also everything that is happening in Nigeria. I just want to have a few words just to advise our people in Nigeria.
Go ahead. We are listening. The world is listening. Go ahead.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sorry, are you a South African? You are from your accent. Hold on. You are a South African. Is that correct?
Yes, sir, I am, but I'm a Biafran by marriage, sir.
Thank you. Please go ahead.
Yes, sir. As our people are on the roads or on the streets, this revolution, now that the thing is still raw. It's still raw. So as they are running and they are chasing the police, they should be holding the petrol bombs, as you have said, sir. And at night, they should not sleep. This is not the time to sleep. At night, they go inside the bushes and they start strategizing not to sleep, so that in the morning they have a strategy. By this time, here in South Africa is after 9. There should be smoke everywhere. Smoke everywhere. Everywhere. All the government buildings have been burnt down already. by this time, because by the time we were doing our own revolution, we were not waiting for any weapons to come from anywhere. You take the weapons from your enemy and you kill your enemies with their own weapons. That is how it's done.
I'm in love with you, I'm telling you. If not that I'm married to a very beautiful woman, I'm telling you, I will tell your husband I'll be like David. I will kill your husband and take you. I'm telling you the truth. You're a very powerful woman. May Chukwu Kikabiyama bless you immensely.
I'm boiling here. I'm thinking, what are they doing? There's no strategy. They are just running in the streets. It's not good. The coordinators are supposed to be coordinating them. The PRO is supposed to be feeding you with, giving you feedback on the other side. Not people, mothers and young girls are busy taking pictures of what is happening instead of fighting. Everybody should join the fight.
Oh, God bless you. God bless you.